1. Step into grandeur. This double-height entryway sets the tone with gold-veined marble and a chandelier that feels straight out of a five-star hotel. 2. Minimalism meets warmth. White oak paneling and hidden LED lighting create a foyer that feels calm the moment you walk in. 3. Bold and beautiful. Black marble floors paired with brass inlays give this entrance a quiet confidence. 4. Travertine walls and warm wood accents. This entryway welcomes you with soft, natural elegance. 5. Textured limestone and walnut would come together for an entrance that feels handcrafted and rich. 6. A staircase fit for royalty. This grand foyer combines marble, gold, and crystal for pure luxury hotel vibes. 7. Clean lines, glass doors, and polished concrete. Modern minimalism at its finest. 8. Herringbone floors and a statement art wall make this entryway a design lover's dream. 9. Warm plaster walls and soft lighting create an entrance that feels like a gentle embrace. 10. Black and gold, the ultimate power combo for an entryway that commands attention. 11. Japandi calm. Natural wood, stone, and paper light fixtures bring peaceful balance to this space. 12. Mediterranean charm meets luxury. Arched doorways and terrazzo floors transport you straight to the coast. 13. Sky-high living. This penthouse entryway pairs marble with breathtaking city views. 14. Walnut paneling and built-in seating make this entryway as functional as it is beautiful. 15. Double doors, checkerboard marble, and crystal lighting, classic luxury reimagined. 16. Scandinavian simplicity. Light oak and soft natural light make this space feel effortless. 17. Deep green walls and brass fixtures give this entryway a moody, sophisticated edge. 18. Coastal breeze indoors. Whitewashed wood and woven textures keep things light and airy. 19. Art Deco glamour. Geometric marble patterns and brass details bring old Hollywood elegance. Subscribe now. 20. Industrial meets warmth. Exposed concrete and black steel balanced with natural wood tones. 21. Mansion-level grandeur. Marble columns and a sweeping staircase make quite the first impression. 22. Zen and serene. Natural stone and a bonsai tree bring Japanese-inspired tranquility. Subscribe for wood decor. 23. Deep navy walls with brass accents. Bold, dramatic, unforgettable. 24. Desert modern warmth. Terracotta tones and wood beams create an earthy luxury feel. 25. The future is here. Floating glass steps and LED lighting redefine modern design. 26. Timeless elegance. Wainscoting and herringbone floors, elevated with crystal lighting. 27. The sound of water welcomes you home in this tranquil stone-walled entrance. 28. Monochrome magic. Black and white marble paired with a striking black chandelier. 29. Soft, warm, minimal. Plaster walls and wood ceilings create quiet luxury. 30. Penthouse perfection. Marble floors, a gold mirror, and skyline views await. 31. Modern farmhouse charm. Shiplap walls and wrought iron lighting bring rustic elegance. 32. Emerald green marble steals the show in this bold, moody entryway. 33. Curved walls and hidden lighting, a masterclass in contemporary design. 34. Hotel lobby energy. Oversized florals and a marble console make quite the entrance. 35. A gallery wall of curated art turns this entryway into a personal museum. 36. Mediterranean blues and arched doorways bring coastal luxury to life. 37. A water wall feature makes this ultra-modern entrance feel like a private spa. 38. Honey oak floors and brass sconces create warmth the moment you step inside. 39. Floating wood stairs and marble floors, where architecture becomes art. 40. Gold leaf ceilings and crystal chandeliers close out our tour in pure opulence. Subscribe for more updates.